Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna go straight and jump into the video. So at this part of the video, I am just patting in my Milani concealer in Tan Deep, and I'm prepping my eyelid for my eyeshadow look today. So today is going to be like my everyday glam but a little spiced up. I was going to my friend's birthday dinner, and this is the look that I decided to create. It's super easy, super beginner friendly. Anybody can create this look. As you can see, I'm using my black radiance contour palette from medium to deep, and I use the darkest shade, which you would use to contour, and I put that on the outer corner of my eyelid, and with a blending brush from Wet n Wild, which is $1, might I add. Y'all can find that at Walmart or the Dollar Tree. And I'm just blending that in towards my nose, and I'm making sure that I'm going all the way towards my nose because I'm gonna kind of connect that with my nose contour. And I'm just blending that in. Again, all the products are going to be listed below, so that way you know what I'm using. And I want to thank y'all for joining me. I know I have been MIA, but I got some videos on the way for y'all, and I just wanted to go ahead and start off with this one because I was gonna vlog. I had a few bits and pieces of what I did, but it wasn't worth putting in the video, so I got this look for y'all. So right here I'm actually just getting my soft cut crease here, getting this together. I used the LA Girl concealer, the lightest shade that they have. I don't know the name, and it will be in the description bar below. And I'm using my Warriors palette. Please y'all, I was talking all through this video. It was not supposed to be a voiceover. I was chit-chatting it up, as you can see throughout the whole video, but my family was just being so loud and ghetto in the background, so I did not even want to put them in there. So I'm doing a voiceover, but I'm using that lightest shade in the Warriors palette, and I placed that on my eyelid, and I'm going back with that brush that I placed the brown eyeshadow and going towards the outer corner to blend the brown and the light shade, so that way it looks seamless. I'm going in with my Maybelline mascara. The name of that one, I will put it in the description bar below. These lashes right here are from Amazon. The link will be below. The foundation that I'm using today is going to be my Juvias Place foundation in the shade 300, and the name is Gabon. I think I pronounced that right. And I'm using my Real Techniques foundation brush to apply the foundation all over my skin. Again, that foundation a little goes a long way, so you don't need that much. I sprayed my Mario Badescu spray before I got my Real Techniques Insta Pop brush, and I'm just going over my skin and pressing that foundation into my skin. You guys, if you do not have that brush, please go get it. It is on Amazon for $10. It's at Walmart for $10. It's at Ulta for $10.99. Please go get that brush. That is a game changer. I know y'all seen it, but I know y'all seen it through Kiki Adams, and I'm pretty sure a lot of other people are using that brush. I finally got my hands on it, and baby, when I tell you, I ain't even gotta tell you, look at my skin. Come on now. Now the concealer that I'm using today is going to be my Milani concealer in Tan Deep. Y'all, I love this concealer. Like, that has been my go-to concealer whenever I'm doing my makeup. I mean, it's just flawless. Like, it reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Like, for real. If you haven't tried that, try it. Today I actually added a little bit, I did a little extra because what is that, L'Oreal, that was my first time trying it and I wanted to see how it works. And I also went with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I forget the name of that shade, but it was a little lighter than the rest of them. I'm also going in with my Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm going through and pressing that concealer underneath my eyes. That brush too, y'all, if y'all don't have it, get it, please. When I tell y'all, it's a game changer. Like, my whole makeup application on myself and my clients has changed due to those two products. Like, you cannot go wrong with them. And that brush, I believe, I got it on Amazon and it was like $6.99. And I'll leave the link below, so that way if you don't already have it or if you don't know where to get it, you know where to get it. Okay, so I'm just going through underneath my eyelid and making sure that I get that concealer, spread it out and pressed into my skin as even and as flawless as possible. And y'all, if you're this far into the video, I want to thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate the love. I know I've been MIA. I got some stuff in store for y'all. I'm coming back. I'm coming back to the YouTube channel, so stay tuned for me and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a video, so y'all don't miss it. Okay. So here, I'm still blending. I blended like forever. Blending takes forever, but I sped it up. So, but you get the point. Okay, so here, I'm just going back in with that Insta Pop brush that I used to put on my foundation, just to blend out the concealer, so that way you don't see where my foundation and my concealer meet, because that is a no. Oh, look at that screenshot. Look at that. Anyways, girl, I'm going in with some foundation. That's actually gonna be my Maybelline foundation in 375 Java, and I'm using that around my forehead and on my cheeks and the bridge of my nose, and I'm just going to use that to contour. Alright, so over here, this brush that I'm using is just a regular not a foundation brush, excuse me. It's a regular eyeshadow brush that I'm using to blend out that contour around my nose. I will put the link to that brush below. Everything that I use in this video will be below in the description box. And I'm going back in with my Real Techniques brush just to make sure that everything has blended, so that way it's not too harsh on my nose, so that way you don't see where the contour and the highlight meet. And over here, I'm just in the upward and downwards motion on my forehead. I'm making sure that I get that to blend out on my forehead, because I got a big forehead, y'all, so we gotta we gotta contour that so we can minimize that. But y'all get the point. Keep watching. And again, always go back over your work with your foundation brush, as I am doing right here, just to make sure everything is blended, girl. So this portion I am putting on my setting powder for underneath my eyes. The setting powder that I'm using is going to be my Black Radiance Soft Focus in Golden. Oh, I forgot the name, but it will be below again, like I said. So I'm getting that and I'm pressing that in all the areas that I highlighted and that I want to set. So that's what I'm doing here. Alright, y'all, so for my eyeliner, I'm actually using my e.l.f. eyeliner. That's probably one of the best eyeliners that I have right now, and I'm going in with Coconati just to bronze up my face. I feel like I need to get another shade because that doesn't show up how I want to. So I did actually get another shade, well, not from Coconati, not from Fenty. I actually got Morphe Trailblazer. So keep watching for my next video when I use that, so y'all can see how that bronzer work, because that's gonna be my first time using it, but that's for another video. So now I need y'all to focus on this contour. Look at this face, girl. So I'm just getting a fluffy little brush, and I am placing that bronzer over my contour just to set it and add a little warmth into my skin. And that is a Juvias Place Zulu palette. Y'all, if y'all have not tried that, girl, please do so. That's like the perfect bronzer color. I don't know what it is about that color, but it goes good on women of color if you're doing it for bronzing. And I'm just gonna get my Mario Badescu spray. I love that spray, and I'm getting that and I'm spraying that all over my face. And again, you already know I'm going back with my foundation brush, and I'm just gonna pat that spray into my skin so I can get a flawless look. So once that is completed, you already know, like, just look, girl, look. All right, you saw already. Okay, so this portion, I was just going through adding a little highlight in my inner corner eyes. I think the palette that I'm using is the BH Cosmetics Wild something. I cannot remember what it is, but I love that highlight palette. It's so old, but I still use it, and it does me justice. It's so good. Yeah, girl. There you go. Yep, it's the BH Cosmetics. There you go. You seen it before. All right, so right here, I was just debating on which lip I was gonna choose. The one that was on my left side was the B Simone, and the one on the right is the e.l.f. one. So I went with e.l.f. only because it's a lip plumping gloss, and that shade Peach Bellami is everything. If you do not have that, girl, go get it right now. It's like $6, girl. Go get it. It's gonna make your lips feel so good. That B Simone one is really good too. Oh, that color is so good. Her lip gloss is so good. But yeah, girl. So okay, so this spot right here, I'm just making sure I look good. I want to thank y'all for watching. I didn't get any pictures, so this is just a video of how I looked after I did my makeup. And thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.